Perezida Paul Kagame yasezeranyije kuzagira icyo akora ku bijyanye n'icyemezo ingabo za Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo zerutse gufata cyo kurasa ku butaka bw'u Rwanda nyuma yo gutsindwa na M23 mu mujyi wa Goma zikica abanyarwanda bamwe abandi bagakomereka. Mu ntangiriro z'iki cyumweru ubwo habaga urugamba rwo kubohoza umujyi wa Goma, abasirikare ba RDC batsinzwe ndetse n'imitwe bafatanyije bafashe icyemezo cyo kurasa ku butaka bw'u Rwanda mu karere ka Rubavu. Kugeza kuwa 28 Mutarama 2025 ibi bikorwa byari bimaze kugoma abanyarwanda 9 mu gihe abandi benshi bakomeretse. Iyi myitwarire y'ingabo za FARDC ni imwe mu ngingo zagarutsweho na Perezida Paul Kagame mu nama yari imuhuje na bagenzi be bayobora ibihugu byo mu muryango wa Afurika y'Iburasirazuba. Iyi nama yari mu murongo wo kurebera hamwe icyakorwa ku ntambara ikomeje kuyogoza uburasirazuba bwa RDC ndetse n'ikibazo cya M23 gisa n'ikirengagijwe kikaba gishakirwa ibisubizo bya gisirikare kandi hakwiriye ibya politiki. Perezida Kagame yabwiye bagenzi be ko hari abanyarwanda benshi bahitanywe n'aya masasu yavuye i Goma ndetse asezeranya ko hari icyo azabikoraho.
2-3 days ago we lost people. There was a lot of sharing from Eastern Congo, from Goma, and killed a dozen people and injured the hundreds. We will definitely take care of that. There's no question about it.
Mbere yo kugera kuri iyi ngingo, Perezida Kagame yari yabanje kugaragaza ko uburyo ibihugu by'amahanga biri kwitwara muri iki kibazo bubabaje. Yatunze agatoki ibihugu nka Afrika y'Epfo bikomeje gukoreshwa na Perezida Felix Antoine Tshisekedi wa RDC muri iyi ntambara. Perezida Kagame yashimangiye ko M23 atari abanyarwanda ndetse agaragaza ko mu bihe bitandukanye Tshisekedi ubwe yagiye yemera ko ari abanyekongo. Yakomeje agaragaza ko atumva uburyo abayobozi b'ibihugu bemera gukoreshwa muri ubu buryo. Kuwa gatatu tariki ya 29 Mutarama 2025, Minisitiri w'Ingabo wa Afrika y'Epfo yatangaje ko Perezida Cyril Ramaphosa yaganiriye na Perezida Kagame amuburira ko ingabo z'u Rwanda nizikomeza kurwanya ingabo za Afrika y'Epfo mu burasirazuba bwa Kongo bizafatwa nko gutangiza intambara. Ni ingingo nayo Perezida Kagame yagize icyo avugaho muri iyi nama y'abayobozi ba EAC. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko Afrika y'Epfo ikangisha yagakwiye kuba yarabikoresheje ikemura ikibazo cy'umutekano muke mu burasirazuba bwa RDC cyangwa mu guhangana nabo irwana nabo muri iyi ntambara. Yagaragaje kandi ko uyu munsi hari ikibazo cy'uko usanga ibiganiro bya Nairobi na Rwanda byashyizweho mu gukemura ibibazo nta musaruro bitanga kubera ko ababirimo barushije uburemere impamvu yabyo. Perezida Kagame yashimangiye ko atumva uko Tshisekedi akomeje gutsimbarara ku ntambara kandi bimaze kugaragara ko nta musaruro itanga. Perezida Kagame atangaje ibi mu gihe leta ya RDC yakomeje gushimangira ko itazigera igirana ibiganiro na M23. Ni ibintu byatumye uyu mutwe wubura imirwano ndetse wigarurira ibindi bice byinshi birimo n'umujyi wa Goma uheruka gufata.
For the last 2 days, on Monday and today this morning, I spoke with the President of South Africa, who sought me out to speak with me on this matter because of their involvement in Eastern Congo. And he's also there pretending to be playing a peacemaker role, and he has a force that has been fighting alongside FDLR and has been fighting the M23 on the instructions of Tshisekedi, because these are people who are not supposed to be in Congo, that these are from Rwanda, or the M23 are not Rwandans. Please. These are Congolese, and one time he accepts it, then another time he says no, part of it is yes, and then the other part is from Rwanda, and these are He keeps on, and how do we, leaders of our own countries, accept this to go on forever and just accept that we shall be manipulated by Tshisekedi or whoever is supporting him? And South Africa dares even issue threats about what is likely to happen after that, and so on and so forth. Of course, we will see what threats they are talking about.
Inama idasanzwe y'abakuru b'ibihugu bigize umuryango wa Afurika y'Iburasirazuba EAC yasabye Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo kuyoboka inzira y'ibiganiro na M23 hagamijwe gushaka amahoro arambye. Imirwano mu burasirazuba bwa RDC imaze igihe ariko yakajije umurego kuwa 23 Mutarama 2025 ubwo umutwe wa M23 wigaruriye imijyi nka Sake bihumira ku murari wigaruriye na Goma. Abakuru b'ibihugu bigize EAC bahise bemeranya ko bose bazitabira inama idasanzwe yiga kuri iki kibazo ariko ubwo yateranaga hifashishijwe ikoranabuhanga kuwa 29 Mutarama 2025 Perezida Felix Antoine Tshisekedi wa RDC yahisemo kwiheza n'ubwo ingingo yaganirwagaho irebana n'umutekano w'igihugu cye. Imyanzuro yashyizwe ahagaragara nyuma y'inama igaragaza ko abakuru b'ibihugu batewe impungenge n'uburyo ibibazo by'umutekano muke bigenda birushaho gukaza umurego muri RDC bigaragarira ku myigaragambyo n'ibitero byagiye bigabwa kuri ambasade z'ibihugu bitandukanye harimo n'ibyo mu muryango wa EAC gutwika gusahura ndetse n'urundi rugomo. Basabye impande zose ziri mu ntambara guhagarika imirwano hagamijwe korohereza abatanga ubutabazi kubagizweho ingaruka n'intambara. Umuvugizi wungirije wa guverinoma Aremu Kurarinda yatangaje ko impunzi zirenga 100 z'abanyekongo zari zahungiye mu Rwanda zasubiye iwabo ku bushake. Kuwa gatatu tariki ya 29 Mutarama 2025 nibwo impunzi z'abanyekongo zari zahungiye mu Rwanda zimwe zatangiye gutaha nyuma yo kugaragaza ko zishaka gusubirayo kuko imirwano yari hanganishije umutwe wa M23 n'ingabo za leta ya Kongo n'imitwe zifatanyije irimo Wazalendo, FDLR n'ingabo z'abarundi yamaze gucururuka. Hanze y'u Rwanda Perezida wa Amerika Donald Trump yatangaje ko hari gutekerezwa uburyo gereza ya Guantanamo Bay yakoreshwa mu kwakira abimukira binjiye muri Amerika mu buryo bunyuranyije n'amategeko bakanahakorera ibyaha ndetse imirimo yo kuyagura ikaba ishobora gutangira mu minsi iri imbere. Guantanamo Bay ni gereza yahoze ari ibirindiro by'ingabo za Amerika zirwanira mu mazi ariko iza guhindurwa gereza muri 2002 nyuma y'ibitero byibasiye Amerika muri 2001. Iyi gereza yanenzwe koroherezwamo abantu bagakorerwa iyicarubozo benshi bakamara imyaka myinshi bafunzwe ariko bataburanishwa. Icyakora iyi gereza inafite igice cyagenewe gukurikirana ibibazo by'abimukira by'umwihariko uretse ko itajyaga ikoreshwa muri ako kazi cyane. Indege zirimo kajugujugu y'igisirikare cya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika yo mu bwoko bwa Sikorsky H-60 yagonganye n'indege ya gisivile yo mu bwoko bwa Bombardier CRJ 700 y'ikigo cya PCA Airlines. Ibikorwa by'ubutabazi bihita bitangira. Kugongana kw'indege ebyiri mu kirere ni ikintu kidasanzwe kuko ubundi indege zigira ikoranabuhanga ziriyobora rikanatuma zibona aho izindi ndege ziri bityo ntizibe zagongana. Niyo mpamvu hatangiye iperereza karundura rigamije gusuzuma icyateye iyi mpanuka. Gusa amakuru yibanze akaba avuga ko kajugujugu yari mu myitozo ya gisirikare ubwo yakoraga impanuka nkuko byemejwe n'igisirikare cya Amerika. Abantu 19 nibo bamaze kumenyekana ko bagoye muri iyi mpanuka.
International community just confused. They talked about Rwanda, they talked about the Nairobi process. Honestly, even here, maybe you will help me understand what all this means. The processes became an end in themselves. And the people leading these processes became more important than the results of the processes. The Nairobi process became a Uhuru process. Then the Rwanda process, it's like you can't say anything that will displease President Lorenzo. Definitely, this does not help deal with such a serious matters as we are faced with today. That in the end, just because they can't be addressed, we have such a situation that, like we have now. And if anybody, and above all, I don't understand how Tshisekedi keeps thinking that he will resolve the problems to do with rights of people militarily. Kill them, shoot them, bring in forces that are ready to help, like especially Burundi. Well, I don't know whether that has been helpful for the last few days or weeks they have been doing that.